Welcome. Today I'm demonstrating the guest registration flow in Openhouse Guestbook. This app is designed for realtors to quickly capture high-quality leads during a showing. The interface is built for speed and clarity. We'll start by entering our guest's contact information. As you can see, the layout is clean, ensuring that even on a tablet, the fields are easy to tap and fill. What makes this guestbook effective is the ability to capture intent. By selecting a target purchase timeframe and follow-up preferences, the app helps realtors prioritize their leads. Here, Peter is looking to move in about 3 months and wants to stay in the loop via email. Finally, we can add specific notes. In this case, Peter is looking for a summer cottage with a swimming pool. Once we hit save, the data is securely stored, and the form resets instantly for the next guest.